Social work is advocacy. It is ensuring that every member of the society has equal access to services, resources, and a better quality of life.
To me, social work is the action behind words like compassion and empathy and social justice.
Fields such as social work are critical and becoming increasingly more important to our society and to the functioning of a better world for all of us.
A social work degree is important as it sets the foundation for your practice while equipping you with the right skills and tools needed to thrive in the field. A social work degree will open doors for practice opportunities across the world on a micro, meso, and a macro level.
I'm a social work student. Social work is working with people in their environment, as well as understanding the social issues around our society and how to help advocate and educate people on them. The Bachelor program is so important because it allows us to expand our knowledge and skill set, and it makes a big impact because it allows us to work with people around the world or people in our community.
Social work is a profession which is focused on human dignity and social justice.
Social work is for people who want to make a difference.
Every day, I see the difficult and important work that our dedicated and compassionate social workers do to support and protect kids and youth in need.
The Faculty of Health, Community and Education encompasses a wide range of disciplines, but at the heart of them all is the desire to help people, families, and communities. Social work embodies this, and it's why we are so proud to bring this degree opportunity to our students.
But yeah, congratulations MRU on the new bachelor's program.
So congratulations to MRU for their new BSW program. I just wish it was available when I went there because MRU is the place to be.
Congratulations to Mount Royal University and to the entire community on this new Bachelor of Social Work.
I'd like to say congratulations to Mount Royal University for the new Bachelors of Social Work program.